Okay. So I said in the last class, find your. The nice thing, I know I taught this, so I'm not gonna repeat it. Anyone, thoughts? Yes, ma'am. Yes, which C? Middle C is your point of reference. I said this last week. Okay, so in the bass clef, is your middle C here or is it there? Yes, thank you, ma'am. It's here. That is your point of reference. Right. So now we are taking this, we're adding it in your treble clef. Right. Where is middle C in the treble clef? Oh yes, nice. So we know that middle C is somewhere here. Right. So step one, we just copy all the stuff. So flat there is 3/8 time. Nothing changes there. Now, the first thing that I picked up was treble clef. You're going from bass to treble. The second thing is, it says there, transpose the following tunes up to an octave. So catch that wording, up to an octave. So you're not just taking this and finding this A. Okay, so it's middle C, 1, 2. So it's two steps down from middle C. Here's middle C, so it's going to be 1, 2. It's going to be here somewhere. No. It says tunes up an octave. So you need to shift it first up an octave. So you're taking this A, shifting it up an octave, 8 notes up. And then you're translating it here. Okay. Who's confused? Okay, so this A, all of this music that you're given, you need to first take it 8 notes up an octave. So this A, you need to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then same thing here, D, da 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 da, 7, 8. All of these notes up by 8. Then you say, okay, from middle C, where are those notes? From here. And then here's your middle C, you place those notes here. So rather than writing the same pitch, this A is under middle C, so it must be under middle C. No, you're first taking it up an octave. After you've done this, you find it somewhere here because it's going to be above this. You find it somewhere here. So let's try it now. So this is A, it will be the A above middle C. So let's do this. Maybe if we can have the bass here. D flat 3 8. So if this A was here and you want to take it 8 notes up, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is okay. Now let's do this. I think there should be an easier way to explain this. This A is below middle C. If you're taking this an octave up, it must be the A above middle C. Okay. In your treble clef, here's your middle C. You just need to find the A above middle C in the treble clef. Where is the A here? So you go C, D, E, F, G, A. So this is the A above middle C. This A is below middle C. You've shifted this A up by 1. And if you shift it from here, bass clef, it goes to this one, up an octave. So it will be here. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
I hope that makes sense. Okay. So there's your A. Now remember, if it's below the middle line, your stem must face up. Very important. And on this side. So now you've shifted it up by an octave and it's in the treble clef. Same A. Next one. What note is this?
D.
This is D, right? You're shifting it up. So you need to find the nearest D. D, E, F, G, A, B, middle C, D. You see, so now if you're shifting this by an octave, it's going to be just above middle C. If you're shifting it up, then you find this note in the treble clef that's shifted. Where's middle C? There's middle C. If that D is there, it means it must be here in the treble clef. So then you start and it's over here. There's your D, crotchet up. That is correct. Any questions? All good. Okay. This one is B, right? You can count up. You first need to shift it up. So this B is under C. So it's B and then C, right? So the original one is below middle C. It's here, right? This is the original note, just below middle C. Must be here. Now you're shifting it up an octave. So you're going up to the next B. So it must be the B above the C. So if you were here, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's the next B. So you've shifted from the B below middle C. Here's middle C. B below middle C. You've shifted this to the next one. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. There's your next one. You've shifted from here to there, an octave up. So now your B must be here in the treble clef. You can choose whether up or down. It's fine. There. That would be correct. So you're not copying and pasting this same note in the treble clef. If they asked you, please transpose this, maintain the pitch, but in the treble clef, you would write that B here below middle C. But they asked you, please take it up. So that's why you're here instead of here. Next one, C sharp. Easy. C sharp, you shift it up. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C must be here, C sharp. So this C, if you're shifting it up, it'll be on the middle C, but just sharpened. If you're shifting it up, it will be on the middle C, just sharpened. So you leave it here. So that will be crotchet, C sharp. This again is not the same as this. It's been shifted up. C, there's the top C, middle C sharp. There's the top C, middle C sharp. Next one, G, will be here. Any questions? Okay, it should be easy now to do the rest. This is to help you with the test. Okay, so you can do that. Now the new chapter that I wanted to do today